Sanbonani, ma South Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, shuffling Diski Ringers. Namhlanje, and I'm your host. Vandag, so ringa Mamludi Sundowns, the defending champions. Ali team ya here tell Nindu. Ha! Hey, bazwili nduku. Hey, matot. Hey, let team bashayila abantu. Hey, chance. Imani kancane. But we will break it down. Performance yabo this season. During this time of the season, which is already mid-season, so we're halfway mark of the season, we will break it down. We will compare their performances from the previous seasons. Sibone ukuthi ba improve kuphi nokuthi ba drop kuphi. But before ngikhuluma into eziningi sihlafuna le ndaba, niyazi nani ukuthi ngivaye ngiyi-one ngiphethe isikhokho sami esikhokhelwayo. Hlangu
uthini bhuti?
Ureg?
No ngirege bhuti.
Hey, ngiyazithusela.
Ndebelele khethu.
Ngiyazithusela man.
Mahlangu kusenukuthatha ngivisele kwa.
Yekose ungithathe ungisele kwaha. Engisithanda kanjani izindebele zasekhaya. Mabathi ukose kuba ngathi bakhuluma bakhuluma kamnandi man. Esimnandi izindebele zasekhaya. Ntwana na isizini manje midway.
Yeah.
Ziyabuya ntwana. We've got Masbega, Ilok nama numbers. It's 5 teams. Is singathi ziya contester ama contender for ukwina league. Although personally iSundowns angeke nje imani inikeze any team on the silver platter angeke. You understand, they still a very strong team, very dangerous team. But when so far ngibone mina kunama decline yana thize kuma stats wabo iMamelodi Sundowns this season compared to previous seasons. But when Ntwana uyibona kanjani le season neMamelodi Sundowns, because vandag sizohlafuna vele indaba yeSundowns.
Yeah, Ntwana nami I'll echo your words. iSundowns will never just nje ipaningile.
Yo hayi ngeke.
It's never gonna happen. Anyone who's gonna take the league from Sundowns, they're gonna have to work hard, bro.
Yeah.
They're gonna have to work hard. I'll say this. Sundowns is not playing the same way they used to play the previous seasons.
Yeah.
They are no longer as scary, if I may put it that way, as in the previous seasons. Mayodlala nabo manje unale into ukuthi singabashayi. There is that belief from these other teams.
Yenzwa yini? Yenzwa
It's the way badlala ngakhona manje. Akusese ile ya Sundowns le yawazi ukuthi hayi masiya lapha mfana uyazi na ukuthi it's either ufuna ukwenza iscore respectable or something, but iwin uyazi ukuthi eyizoba nzima ukuthi ithole. But manje when teams go to play them now banayo le belief ukuthi laba mara singabashayi uyangithola. So that is, but having said that, if we check the stats don't lie, the numbers don't lie. Sundowns are still collecting points. Sundowns, in terms of Amalwentuzane, they are still. If you check the others, I won't check it up. States good at seeing, but they've collected more or less the same points as in the.
Okay, yeah, okay.
2024-2025 season.
All right. Okay. 2023-2024 season. This time mid-season, during this time of the season, bebana 37 points.
Season yakarulani Mokoena le.
Angisakhumbula
yeah, season yakarulani Mokoena.
Yakarulani. Bebana 37 points. Bakore 23 goals, and then concede 5 goals.
Yeah.
Ne? And then 2024-25 season, during this time, mid-season, 31 points, so it's a drop from 37 2024 then to 31 with 2024-25 season, and then Bakore 25 goals, 2 more than the previous season, and then conceded 5 more than the previous season. So the current season manje njengoba sikule mid season vele manje bahleli ku 32 points, bakore 24 goals, 1 less than last previous season during this time, and concede 7 goals so far.
Now ama numbers ayakutshela ntwana ukuthi
Yeah.
mabazi compare bona with themselves. But when you compare them with the other teams, balapha vele. Bayi benchmark labantu laba.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to reach that level, yeah.
Yes.
But born in terms of standard sabo, as I was saying, I'm not saying they are a bad team.
No, now
But
must stats.
when you
Khuluma
look
thina
at
based.
when you
yes.
look at if you compare themselves with themselves,
Yeah.
they've
Ngiyakuthola.
dropped the standard.
Yes.
Into mina engiyibonile nge-Sundowns, and which is why these other teams nabo they are able ukuthi bayenze mabaya lapha bathini they can go with confidence ukuthi laba sizobatrapa. And I find it so hard ukuthi umqeqeshi we-Sundowns phela yonke into eyenzakalayo ntwana it always goes back to the coach.
Yeah.
I-coach we can check from 2023. Rulani Mukwena lost one game. He was fired as a coach. Manqoba Mngqithi, he was doing well in the league. He was fired. Bathini bafuna Champions League. This coach, I don't think he's doing well, personally, my opinion. I don't think he's going to win a Champions League. But Rulani, they said they want the Champions League.
Just for the
Yes.
Champions League.
Umanqoba bamambisile, they said they don't think he will help them to win the league. Le coach iluzile the Champions League this season again. Maubheka. You can see with this coach, he's not gonna win the Champions League.
But Ntwana, let's okay, ngiyakuthola.
I'm just saying, put my facts. You come back to the league again in terms of their play. I'm not convinced, man. Play yabo le Sundowns le ngiyaziyo mina ukuthi ayilaba ayamabeza so bayeza. So ntwana hayi i-Sundowns nayo kumele basitshele ukuthi bayuza yipi bameasure ngani in terms of ama coach wabo ukuthi mawenze kanje siyakuqosha or mawenze kanje uyahlala. Why is this coach still there?
Because Rolando Teni waluza only one game that season.
And he pleaded with them guys.
And the Champions League wadliwa ku semi final angisho.
Yeah, semi-final.
Yeah, I think udliwa ku semi final. So it was not like
it was not bad, Joe. So nangu lumqeqeshi usahleli, I'm not saying bamqoshe, but ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yini emenza ukuthi yena abe bamgaya advantage engaka yena.
Yeah, because
compared to amanye ama coach.
But also mdladla hayi ukuthi mele nathi be honest ukuthi they've also recruited more another is it South American players, the likes of Leon, okay, Usalis Dala khona, Resino, Santos, and those guys baba taking in you serious if babala nje overseas. Don't you think mhlawumbe ukuthi they are still trying to find themselves? That's why mhlambe I flow yabo ingasa flow with the way besiyazi ngakhona. And I agree with you. Nami mangihleli ngiyibukele. Yes, izakushaya, but that flow, that danger yehlile. Ithi ngisho kanjalo. Yeah, nami I fully agree, but also from the back of my mind I'm like, ish mara basayine like 3 players and these players baba signing in Nyukezi Baya from overseas, so they have to play. Azelanga uzohlala ebenchini, that's number 1. They have to play. You understand? And at the same time they need now to adapt futhi to the way iSundowns idlala ngakhona. Maybe it's that factor futhi for mina eyenza ukuthi mhlambe yes uyabona bona bayadlala bakushaye, but like lento sikhuluma aba flow with the way iSundowns flow ngakhona.
Uyabona le factor ekhuluma ngayo has been there for the past 10 years.
Kanjani?
Sundowns has been signing players for the past 10 years.
Every
but
season.
umshini loku uyamove.
Oh.
It's how you bring in the players.
Ish.
It's how you bring in the players but keep the machine rolling baba. Mshini mfana mele loku gaya umuva. Manje wena mase ku coach ntwana mele understand ukuthi you've brought in players what. We've been bringing in players at Sundowns.
Isan mara ukhuluma
for years.
lapho Chelsea vara every year 4 or 5 players every year, like, and umshini isani lapho ngibambile akena ngazi
so coach and
so do you think istyle saka Cardoso ushintshile vele identity ye Sundowns?
we changile because he's too much of is unobudefensive nyana bokusaba lo coach lo akekho open ukuthi se attack if you score 3 zoshaya 40 iSundowns inalento le usiza kini Sundowns akusi team even ama defenders that's why you never saw Ronwen diving, you never saw Abu Kekane tackling and all that.
In the previous seasons, right?
They always had the ball.
Yeah.
Always they have the ball. Manje sebaya defender baba. Sesikhona ukubona ukuthi baya defender labantu labo. Because they've changed their style. Sometimes ngikutshela from number 1 to number 11, everyone must play. Siyadlala ndoda. So manje lona sekanamasi lontuzana ukuthi kumele sesinokudefender, sesinokwenza nada sino Sundowns. Sundowns we have the ball baba.
But mina ngiyayincanywa le outhile so far uResino ngiyayincanywa naye lo Santos number 10
Santos ngiyambona uphethe pass
ntwana
uphethe bad players those players don't get me wrong
ngimbona mnandi although very obviously uqeda ukufika it's a different league because iPSL people they can say whatever they want yes other leagues I don't want to compare EPL no La Liga but other European leagues players who played in Europe when they come here they struggle. This league is not as easy as abantu abacabanga ngayo. I'm telling you ntwana. I mean this league is very tough. You understand? So those two guys Uresino no Santos personally I think there's something there because no Sales uMalankane bengimdelela manje isikhathi afika but angisho ukuthi unzima
but he's a good player.
Yes, he's a good player. But ayikuthi unzima. He's a good player. So mina kulezi zithu I think the more bangasetlila these two players engikhuluma ngazo, I think they can make an impact for Mamelodi Sundowns. But now the question now comes to the previous show when we were talking about I think the Pirates you mentioned kancane players not playing because our core team for the past few years, they came from Mamelodi Sundowns, and now I mean you look at the last game, ebayidlalile, there's Urena Subuyile, there's Leon, the Colombian guy, there's Sales, there's Resino, Adams naye Kanabuya, and remember this boy when he went to Mamelodi Sundowns, he was already a national Bafana player.
Yeah.
And ibhlungu lento yenzakalayo because sometimes that's when we say yes there's money, it's big money there, but is this thing good for your career? That like but agents we will always sikhulume ngama agent because bafuna inyungu labo bantu ufuna i-commission serious lo muntu akayeke akutshela ukuthi lapha mfana ngeke udlale and mawungadlali uyayehla ne-market value iyayehla ukuthi udlalele i-Sundowns or i-Pirates or i-Chiefs mawungadlali i-market value wena as an individual player is dropping you understand so now asimbona ngama-pesh u-Adams this boy is a machine for me ntwana is super talented le ntwana but he's not playing
and he's a young player
and he's a young player for sure la khona vele frustrated definitely because bakuthathe udlala week in week out and ubafana udlala futhi kubafana and uBros akuthanda yes he made a mistake ngokufika late camping some other time intwana wamcolela uMadala wathi no vele I mean akabulala ngamuntu those things zenzeka but next time angeke ngiyivumele le ngizomfana italent serious for South Africa ngifuna ukusipana naye
one for the future
he's one for the future I want to work with him but now he's no more asimboni yes the last game udlalile but akadlala akekho I mean sekukhohliwe nangayo Adams too
bheka ntwana lento ekhulumayo uyi-agent you know there's a national team player lapha star player sebafana Tebogo kuno Alende lapha kunomthusi Obasi kunomkhulisi uthatha intwana encane uyisa lapha eSundowns kusho ukuthi wena i-development talentwana you don't care about it lentwana it can bengamisa Sundowns mina maybe 3-4 years maybe later or you look at any team like Kaizer Chiefs maybe they could have taken him there at Kaizer Chiefs
why
They
Chiefs
at least-
ngoba bazosuke bathi sesimangethele Chiefs.
No, because ntwana of competition iChiefs and it was building.
Oh yeah, oh ispace bese
So
more.
space base corner
Yeah.
and bekazoba ne-impact better than being at Sundowns compete noMukwena no Alende.
And nalo hambile lo mfana we Brazilian before ahamba uJuan Costa ne, that boy we left man. Or Ribeiro
Yeah,
because
even
ufike.
though it does not play the same position now.
Yeah, but I'm saying look at the players, the caliber of players that
I compete nabo la.
yes.
Uyangitshela so mfethu, and again we go back futhi mfethu to ibafana njengoba bosakhuluma ngayo. uBrumidi bambeke ngaphandle. The young boy bamsayinile Sundowns, the whole left back uyambona.
Yeah.
A very good player.
Yeah,
Very good player. Ubanga
Yeah, I think Usibiya. Usibiya.
Yeah, I think Usibiya.
Please sicela nisicheckele singabhayise.
Check la.
Yeah.
Uqalile futhi game Usibiya I think. Ne? But uAubrey hasn't been playing much since abuye kuAFCON. Bambeke bench. I don't know whether he's injured or what. I don't know whether he's injured or kanjani, but uAubrey akadlali. Chambers wane abakambuyisi. Udlalile ngimbonile nje bamuthi kancane, but akadlali. That's the fact nje. Siya ku World Cup ntwana. And we struggle ku AFCON. And the country has said
Usibiya. Yeah, Usibiya.
I-country khale ngani sicela uChambers wane, sicela uChambers wane. Ntwana why coach inga-sacrifice idlalisa uChambers wane?
Just ukuthi
Actually fitness.
asincede actually fit because yena kule 10 position at that level amfana siyamdinga. Yes, Mfukeng is doing well manje ku Pirates ku number 10, but it's just intwana like it's a World Cup, Joe. Yes, Mfukeng can do something, but it's a
Abajita mfana mele bahambe bayoyiqeda le jeni abaqale noLobe. Kumele mina mfethu if benginamandla I would tell all these teams play all the bafana players in your teams because we are preparing for iLontuzana.
World
Cup.
It's true.
And then the coaches okhona ukuthi yenzeni. Is selected from those. Manje coach ntwana say for instance if Aubrey does not play kumele yenzeni coach awungitshela.
Okay, if uyamthatha sikamthatha at his own risk because angeke abe match fit
Angeke.
at that level izomshaya futhi, so it's a ngiyakuthola ntwana.
Bese uthatha mhlambe asithi uthatha yona le ntwana lena Usibiya. No experience. Talented as he is.
Very
No
talented.
experience to play at that level. Uyofika yenzeni? No struggle. Let's look at AFCON manje. Abonkotha Relay Mofokeng. Talented players, but they don't have the experience to play the tournament esiqeda ukuyidlala. They've gained experience but manje ngokudlala bayidlalile, they know now what is maybe needed, but fact is they are young players, they don't have the experience to play at that level.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if
So you
noma
cannot
wadlala-
have them ukuthi kube uphine ama hopes wakho kubo. You need ama player ntona abo Lontuzana. I've seen at least Umrena, they are playing him at Sundowns now bamfaka. Umrena Joe will give you everything.
Yeah, he can score goals.
He can score goals. He
Can
runs.
defend
He
well, he
defends.
runs,
Yeah,
yeah,
those
yeah.
are the players that they should be playing in faith.
But we've got South Americans ku Sundowns, unfortunately
Abasinceda ngani?
abathengi ngenyuku ebhaya
Basinceda ngani labantu ama-South American
lento
as a
engishoyo
country?
awuthami iqiniso lento eyikhulumayo sense iqiniso mfethu ikhoyo yabafana mfethu kancane and angifuni ukuthi singene indaba ezaka coach Cardoso ne Sundowns ukuthi kumele select bani, but lento ekhulumayo we can make examples, gents. I always make this example ngeBarcelona when they were about to play i World Cup
2010.
I mean Yaya Toure was still there. No, it's 2010 or before 2010. It was 2006 before 2010.
Oh, okay,
The World Cup before 2010. Pusket just got promoted. And Uyaya, he was far better than Pusket. But to Pep Guardiola, yaqala lapha ngisho lento yakhe lo.
Yeah.
Wa sacrifice lo mntwana wadlala lentwana and waba se squad in Pusket until then he became. So they know ukuthi when you approach certain tournament, all these big Madrid, why?
Yeah.
They make sure ukuthi they prioritize their own for their national team to be better. And they're doing that in Europe. In Europe, all over, even in Germany, Bayern Munich, core, it's Bayern Munich. All these years, finish, and then you add Ngabo Leverkusen and other teams, but you've got a core, a team Yamachita, adlala wonke, azanayo. As much exactly what Hugo Broos did in Sundowns before Cardoso. Exactly what. So this guy, because anyway he's a foreign coach, he doesn't care.
He does
about
not care.
He doesn't care about.
Look at the players that are building awilo. Asesekhona Sundowns, but they're sitting at a home. They're sitting on the stands.
Abasekho consistent. Nalaba badlalayo no chance. Wena sorry ukhan. Nalaba badlalayo abasadlali consistent because there's these guys from South America. They need to play those guys. Babathenga aboma 50 million mabasho. I don't know, but that's what ama price abakhuluma ngawo ukuthi babathenga ngalezo imali. So angeke uthathe umuntu eColombia nga 50 million if umthenga ngayo 50 million if vele iqiniso bese uzombeka la. You understand? But abo coach Rulani no coach Pito, even that's Saskatchewan Pito, okay, national team being a
Yeah.
but they managed to balance that. They prioritized South African players. Yes, they wanted that special talent from outside, but not 4 players from South America, 5 in your team. Number 2, we have to say this. I don't think the senior coaches as the Sundowns, they care about I'm a player with development.
Yeah.
Because it's ibhaliwe akusimi mawudlala development DDC nana even if you get promoted you bazokufaka leyo 1 game then you will never play, they will loan you and emaba kulona iminyaka ayiyafuki icontract isahlala injalo mawusayine 4 years you know that ngizwe basho kanjalo maybe I stand to be corrected but iSundowns mawusayine 4 years mawuya ku loan kwenye team ihlala injalo 4 years. That's why ubona ama player buy ahamba ngamaloni mara usase ku Sundowns sabuyela ku Sundowns for many years bathi hlala njalo ihleli 4 years. So and then you look at the Orlando Pirates now Chiefs noma be struggle but look at ama development players for the past seasons ezibuye nabo ata bonke abomfunda abo sha abo mdu abongeza most. But it doesn't happen with Sundowns because okay, bona they've got money, they want a Champions League. But mina personally, I feel ukuthi intwana ze Sundowns development isono as they will never get that opportunity. They will get promoted, yes, because we can count. In fact, now promise we can go back. Hey, we can intwana ezinzima 1 game, 2 games, 3 games, and then out. We need Champions League in we play and then we buy these foreign guys. We don't have problem with foreign guys, but what about their development? That's and it's happening manje say clear angeke sidlale lezi ntwana kusandile mayodlala nje 1 angeke sidlale. So uthi Sundowns kumele yenze intwana to defend iligi yabo mase sesizoyivala in your view ukudefend i-tackle yabo this season.
Maybe ingasayina uliklub.
Yeah, ubani uliklako. Or
still 18 months. I saw that story that he did not sign.
Oh, young isibonile so ayifuna ukusayina vele mayitayi because uyazi uyazi angeke vele angiyodlala just bafuna nje ukungikhipha ngibe nje la then ngibulawa ama loan but still yaminyaka mangibuya khani iqala lapho iyachu. So hey, the way bayenza izinto ngakhona but yeah, that's how they do their business. But ntwana masibuya kuyo vele manje I don't want to say they won't defend Ilikiabo. I still feel they can, but I'm saying these other teams, especially Orlando Pirates, I think intwana izobaphazamisa mabazochubeka kanje.
Yeah, Ntwana, it's unfortunate that vele we are already go second round
manje of the season.
So even what we are saying now, the coach must play players that we bafana. I don't think izofuna vele ku because ama player adlalayo I think you are player a believer go coach. So I'm very disappointed mina ngalento le because I believe ukuthi Sundowns help a team bafana.
No, everyone knows that it's a fact and Ntwana besijabulile for that. So everyone was happy. We knew ukuthi okay na
so basabotaje ilondo basabotaje kahle bafana on coach because now coach Ntwana lahleli khona he's asking himself ukuthi
hey ndoda now ama player wami
I build a team for 4 years
next 3 games akadlali uyabuya ngene vele la khona umadala mfethu inwele I'm sure sezimiruni inwele la khona. Yeah, because uzibonile vele already sezimhlophe so vele Ntwana
so they are setting him up for failure Ntwana. Basically, that's what they're doing. And I'm surprised with even the chairman of Sundowns or even the president, Patrice Motsepe.
Usase president or
He's the president of
the
no, yeah, but okay, who cares? But Ntwana, bekumele angenelele mfana because Ntwana is a South African at the end of the day. Naye himself he sabotaged the country Ntwana, to be honest with you.
Ntwana
Bekumele Ntwana mfethu Granke Kanda. Mthobi Mvala. Obas, look at Obas now. This AFCON esibuya kuwe. He started on the bench, but amakimela wogcina wawadlala and he played so well. He's out. He's not playing now at Sundowns.
At all.
He's not playing. Urenas Simshile because he was not playing. We did not have ama finishers. He's still not playing regularly. Bafaki Colombian.
ngicela ukulithenga manje uma 2 weeks back nini.
Umurena Ntwana. I can name them. These are players building our team
No,
for
you're
4
right.
years.
Everyone knows. So all South Africans we know. But
now we're going to bring new players. Let's see what kuzoyenzakalana.
yeah, so lastly uthi wena yini approach mele benjani for Sundowns to defend this? Do you see them? Okay, let me say mina I see Orlando Pirates this year. Ngibabona mina kuyi team engathi in the way badlala ngakhona, game in week out, consistent yabo. I see a team engayiwina league this year. But I'm not saying Sundowns it's bad, they can't win the league. But I'm saying based on the consistent and what we've spoke about and how Pirates performs week in, week out, I see Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, Ntwana nami ngishilo leyo vele ukuthi Orlando Pirates for me are the real title winners.
If he achieves a winner, it will be good. Yeah,
contenders.
Yeah, if he achieves a winner, it will be good. But it's something that mhlambe nabo season mayicala vele bebangazitshelanga because they was now building the team, but things are going well manje, so now maybe they can have that belief maba continue badlala kanje until the last 5 games or so. Obviously it's normal udlalile you will start believing we can do this, we can do this. So hayi bafethu, hayi siyabonga. Please ningakhohlwa to subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis, Shuffling Tisiringas. No, on this episode, we were just unpacking Sipega performance in Mamelodi Sundowns the past 2 seasons and the current season, go mid-season, not the whole season, just to be clear, because nyaza abanye abantu abangalaleli bazosuke bacamba besikhuluma ngama-season wonke. We were talking from 2023. No, I have to uyabazi abantu mawuthi ku comment athi umuntu ukukhuluma nge-full season mara awumamelanga kahle ngoba siyasho sithi besi break it down mid season from 2023-24 season until 2025-26, just to be clear ukuthi by this time of the league iSundowns beyikuphi beyikora ini benama points angaki. Bafethu siyabonga, keep supporting us, sayishafula le Tiski Ringers. Adios, siyancanya bafethu.
It's a rap.
Sharp, my chance. Sharp.
Danko.